Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix a Rockstar Games error that says, "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time." If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. First, if you're using a VPN or proxy, make sure to turn it off. That alone can sometimes fix the issue. Next, right-click on your date and time at the bottom right of your screen, then click Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Then click on Sync Now. Once you see a check mark, you're good. Close that window. Now close the Rockstar Games launcher or Steam Epic Games if you're using those. Right-click the icon and hit Exit. Also check Task Manager to be sure Rockstar isn't running in the background. Next, open your browser and go to rockstargames.com. Log in, then click your profile icon in the top right and choose Account Settings. Go to Linked Accounts, and if your Xbox, PlayStation, or other account is linked, click Unlink. After that, just link it again and follow the on-screen steps. Once that's done, restart your game and it should be working perfectly now. Hope this helped and I'll see you in the next one.